Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Hit the like button, turn on the post notifications, and share this video. And leave a nice comment down below. So as you guys, as some of you may know or may not know, I already did a Boho faux lock video on my channel already, the distress wrapped method, but I am going to be doing butterfly locks this time, and I'm gonna be doing it shoulder length, chunky shoulder length, because I just feel like that looks really good on me. And if you're seeing this right here is my mirror, don't mind it. And of course, if you know me, I always try to have the right amount of hair, or just enough. Notice that some people, like, they do the butterfly locks with solely water wave hair. I mean, that's okay, but because the water wave hair is very silky, I don't want it to look too fake. So I think adding the Marley hair kind of gives it a rough faux lock look, while also making it look natural. So I'm gonna be using the Janet Collections Marley hair, two of those in 1B, and I'm gonna be using the free tress water wave hair. I love free tress so much, love them. I always do like a test section to know how much hair I want to use or not use based on how it is. So this was the first one, this is the second one. So this one I used 2 strands of the water wave and half of 1 strand of the Marley hair, and this is what happened. But I used a full strand of the Marley hair and 2 strands of the water wave hair, and it came out like this. So I think I like this one better, and this one is more flowy. This one is kind of heavier because of the Marley hair. This is the first one. So that's the one I'm gonna use. So yeah. So that's it for this style, guys. I really like it. It's shorter than my last Faux Locs style, so kind of getting used to it. Not sure, but yeah, I really like it. And I ended up using 4 packs of the water wave hair and 1 pack of the Marley hair, because the Marley hair has 2 bundles in it, and because I cut it in half, then everything like worked up. But I used 4 packs of the water wave hair, and yeah, I think that's it. I have a total of 41 locks in my hair. 41. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, turn on the post notifications, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.